Hey everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about OpenPhone, a tutorial plus review. We'll be going over everything that you need to know about creating an account with OpenPhone, name a business number, route calls, text customers, and collaborate with teammates. I'll also be going over some pros and cons and who should be opting for it. So if you would like to click along and follow me while you watch this tutorial, go ahead and create your free account, grab your free trial by using the link in the description below this video. Now without much further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Starting with why OpenPhone exists and what does it do. So startups and small teams usually cobble together a Google Voice line, personal cell phones, and maybe WhatsApp for quick customer chats. And that's pretty fine until one of your clients calls at 10 PM or teammates need to see the full message history, or maybe you outgrow a single inbox. And that's where OpenPhone replaces the patchwork with a cloud-based business number or numbers that live on every device. And they include shared inboxes, AI call summaries, and integrations to Slack, HubSpot, and Salesforce. All of that without the enterprise pricing tag. Now to go ahead and create an account, once again you can use the link below this video for convenience and then click the Start Free Trial. You will be asked to enter your work email, name, and a strong password, along some other details relating to your business that will help them customize your experience, such as how many people are working, how many phones you might need, all of that stuff. Now after that, you can start by picking your number, so you can search by city or area code, US or Canada for a local presence. And you can even choose a toll-free number if you sell nationwide. They also give you the option to start with an existing line, so you can select port my number and then enter the current carrier, and OpenPhone will email port out instructions. Once you're done with that, just press continue, and then within seconds you will have a number that's live. You will land into the desktop web application. iOS and Android applications will mirror the same interface. Now inside of the application, onto the left sidebar you will see the navigation, the middle pane will have the conversation list, and then onto the right side you will see the thread details. As for the sidebar items, you will see some stuff like the inbox. This is where every call, voicemail, SMS, and MMS will live. The contacts, which is the shared address book. Some analytics that will have the call volume, missed calls, response time, and the response rate, etc. And then we have the settings and the get the mobile application. If you want to make a call, it is as simple as clicking on the green phone icon, where you can press P for phone, and then you can type a contact name or dial the digits. And then you can toggle record call if you would like to, whether on or off. It is by default, it announces to both parties for legal compliance. And then you can hit call, and then OpenPhone will ring through your computer or mic speakers or wired headset. Latency rides around 90 ms on North American calls, so it will feel like a normal cellular conversation. As for receiving calls, an in-app toast pop-up plus simultaneous ring on mobile, you can click accept or send to voicemail. If you ignore it, the call follows your ring sequence and to the settings. So for example, your phone will ring for 15 seconds, and then after that, ring teammate or go to the voicemail. You can also text any customers or prospects that you have by selecting any conversation or just hitting new message. For the SMS, you can type up to 1600 characters, emojis as well. MMS, as you can drag and drop images, PDFs, or voice memos for up to 5 megabytes. And then we have the GIF button onto the right that fetches from Giphy, so the informal brand touch. OpenPhone also shows the read receipts, so 3 dots when typing, seen at a specific time, after delivery. For other OpenPhone users, standard SMS recipients get sent status only. Additionally, you can click on the clock icon and then choose a date and time and then hit schedule. That is perfect for the hey, just confirming tomorrow's 10 AM meeting. For the auto replies, you can go to the settings and then automations and then create auto reply. For example, onto the condition outside business hours or message thanks for texting, we will get back to you first thing in the morning. OpenPhone also allows the team collaboration with the shared numbers, threads, and mentions. And you can enable all of that by going to the numbers and then your new line, members, and then add teammate. You can invite via email, they can accept and then instantly share the inbox. You may have internal comments, such as you can hover on any message and then click and then type a note. And that note will be accessible and visible for both you and all of the teammates invited. You can also share assignments across the top of any conversation by clicking on assigned and then me, and then maybe you can choose another team member. Finally, another very cool feature is that you can add up to 4 participants in just one tap, which is ideal for onboarding calls with sales reps, plus the support onboarding specialist or the customer. Finally, I just want to go over the AI features that you can have, such as the call summaries and the suggested next steps. So you can toggle onto these settings and then AI to enable And then after each call, you can have the OpenPhone auto-generated call summaries, which is a 3 to 4 sentence recap. So for example, the discussed plan upgrade, customer needs quote by Friday, follow-up email requested, etc. There is also the next steps list that uses bullet points so that nothing slips through the cracks. And finally, the future feature, which you can auto-tag, define tags like pricing, churn risk, and then AI will apply them to relevant calls so you can filter insights. In my personal test, the summaries captured the names, dates, and action items with about 95% accuracy. That is amazing for quick copy-paste into CRM notes. And finally, I want to go over the pricing real quick. So for this tool, you can go with the starter plan at $19 per month when billed monthly, and you will get one new local or toll-free phone number per user, calling and messaging to US and Canadian numbers, the voicemail transcript with the AI features, OpenPhone API, and email ticket support. If you want to continue with the yearly plan, then you would save up to $50 per year, not to mention that you can start with the 2-week free trial completely. And if you'd like to, you can go ahead and grab the link to that in the description below this video. The next plan is the business plan at only $33 per user per month, and the scale plan with everything that boosts team efficiency with advanced automations and AI support at only $47 per user per month. So as you can see, this tool is packed with features and is affordable to any team at any scale. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have found it to be helpful and informative to watch by giving us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you don't miss out on similar videos that we make relating to this one.